Moving averages are supposed to make trading simpler, but most of them are slow, laggy, and get you in way too late. What if I told you there's a new moving average indicator on TradingView that fixes all of that? Faster signals, fewer fake breakouts, and clean buy and sell entries. I backtested it and was genuinely impressed. Watch the video until the end to reveal the indicator name and our private settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, quantAlgo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado, let's explore a new indicator that unlocks the real power of a moving average. Please note that the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Remember that trading with indicators involves risk. The indicator combines a lag-compensated moving average with a volatility-scaled step filter. The result is a stable, structure-like trend line that updates only when price movement is meaningful relative to volatility, producing cleaner regimes, fewer chop flips, and clearer trend bias than conventional moving averages. So, this indicator is designed to solve two common problems with classic moving averages. They overreact to market noise during choppy conditions, leading to frequent micro flips. And when you smooth them enough to filter out that noise, they end up lagging too much. The indicator addresses this by combining two layers. First, it uses a generalized moving average that increases responsiveness without merely reducing the length. Importantly, this generalization is applied to the moving average engine, which can be selected from various types in the settings, allowing us to pick the underlying smoothing behavior. In the next step, it applies a step filter that transforms the moving average into discrete steps scaled by ATR. And you can clearly see those steps right here on the chart. They appear only when the move is meaningful, indicating that we have strong momentum in the market. Otherwise, the indicator displays a horizontal line, indicating insignificant movement typically seen in a ranging market or near a reversal. As a result, we get a trend indicator that behaves more like market structure. It maintains its level through noise and then reprices in steps once volatility-adjusted movement becomes significant enough. In other words, you can select any MA you want in the settings, and the indicator supercharges it with a GMA layer and a step filter to deliver highly accurate buy and sell signals. And the trading rules couldn't be simpler. When the stepped MA begins to rise after falling or moving horizontally, it changes its color to green. This serves as a direct buy signal. Bingo, the price moved higher aggressively, delivering amazing profits. In a bearish case, when the main line shows a step down after an upward or horizontal move, it becomes red, allowing us to open a short trade. There it is. Look at the huge downward move we caught. Ready to take your moving average to the next level? To add this next-gen indicator, go to the indicator menu. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Search for Step Generalized Moving Average and choose the following one. But don't rush into trading. We're about to show you what the top 1% of traders do to get the most out of indicators. Want to level up your trading? Meet quantAlgo, our top private indicator, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access quantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this, algo will put you at a disadvantage. Even a powerful indicator like this can struggle when used in the default configuration. Most of the weakness comes from choppy market conditions, which are often marked by a flood of false signals. The good news is that we can avoid most of them by optimizing the indicator settings and adding an effective filter. That said, open the Inputs menu. We'll adjust only two parameters, but they completely transform the setup. First, we have the moving average type, the core component of the indicator, which we can choose from a wide range of options here. We selected the McGinley here, as it is a dynamically smooth moving average designed to minimize lag during rapid moves. Next, we have the ATR period, which determines the stability of the volatility estimate, and in turn, defines the structure sensitivity. Higher values lead to fewer flips, and vice versa. For the 15-minute time frame, we set the value to 52. Half the work is complete. So now we need to focus on a trading filter that can further improve the strategy. The confirmation we used is a powerful trend analysis tool that blends classic market oscillators with advanced normalization methods, complex mathematical algorithms, and Arnaud-Legoux smoothing. Unlike old single-purpose indicators, this one integrates momentum, volatility, and trend strength into a single unified framework. With that, a buy signal from the step GMA indicator is confirmed when the alta area is green and positioned below the 0.7 line. On the other hand, to validate a short trade entry from the first indicator, the alta area should be red, and the main line should remain above the minus 0.7 level. And these are the wrong entries that the filter eliminated from our strategy. To apply this hidden gem, open the Indicator tab, type Trend Aggregator, and pick the one highlighted here. For optimal settings, change the ATR to 1, the RSI length to 34, the K length to 30, and the sigma length to 12. Here are examples of long and short setups based on our suggested risk management rules, with a stop position beyond the latest swing low or high, and a profit target set at a 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio. To evaluate the strategy performance, we will use the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, our proprietary tool that produces backtesting data for any TradingView indicator in under a minute. Simply open the builder's settings, navigate to the Set Long Conditions tab, select the parameter aligned with the indicator's buy signals, and apply the same steps for the sell signals. And now you can explore the strategy data in detail. Note that backtesting results are shown for educational purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future results. So we're looking at the initial Ethereum results on the 15-minute time frame using only the step GMA indicator with its optimal settings. We have a pretty good win rate of nearly 62%, a quite safe max drawdown of 17%, and a great net profit figure of 229%. Overall, we could go live even now, but the real power comes once we apply the trading filter. With that, open the builder settings where we've already built it in and activate it here. Bingo! The win rate improved to nearly 73%. More importantly, we cut the max drawdown by more than half to only 7%. Next, we got an even higher net profit of around 300% from a notably lower number of trades, considerably improving profit per trade. Moving on, the strategy recorded 7 straight winning trades compared to 3 losses in a row. The equity curve is mind-blowing, completely outperforming the buy and hold approach. So, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.